It's a 2018 Cadillac ATS. This vehicle was built around that feeling you get when the stars align and all your dreams come true. Inject your drive with relevant sophistication using dual-zone climate control and OnStar with 4G LTE. This powerful and refined vehicle offers top-notch handling with the premium ZF electric steering with variable assist and non-stop safety with StabiliTrak and all-speed traction control. Strong, agile, and perfect for the enthusiastic driver. Take this Cadillac for a spin. Here's a 2018 Cadillac ATS. Long drives and jaunts alike benefit from the purposeful design of the trunk, shaped to act as a spoiler to maintain a strong hold on the road. The tight body keeps you safe with crumple zones that absorb impact energy and encompasses an elegant interior filled with stylish, finished-by-hand touches. Get in quickly with keyless access and go comfortably with dual-zone climate control. Choose the curvy roads, knowing handling is above par and connectivity is a touch away with OnStar with 4G LTE. A distinctive look with performance that's just as impressive. Get a feel for this ATS today.
Call us today at 1-866-389-4996.